Welcome to the DefCam. Recent reports emerging from Chinese defense media that the PLA Air Force may be phasing out production of its PL-15 Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile in favor of a next-generation system known as the PL-16 marks a notable and strategically significant shift in modern aerial warfare development. This is not a routine update in military hardware, but a deeper evolution in China's air combat philosophy, one that has direct implications for Pakistan's future force posture and strategic planning. For analysts and defense observers in Pakistan, this development underscores a continuing transformation in the nature of regional air power and highlights the increasing sophistication of the technology base that Pakistan's defense cooperation with China provides access to. The shift represents not a replacement of a single missile, but the deliberate creation of a diverse ecosystem of weapons, each tailored to a specific tactical and strategic role within an integrated combat framework. The decision to reconfigure the PL-15 production line is striking given the missile's well-established reputation. With a reported range of more than 150 kilometers and an advanced active electronically scanned array seeker, the PL-15 has been a benchmark weapon system that shaped air combat doctrines across Asia. Its long reach and high kill probability forced potential adversaries to remain at a distance. Reports indicate that this production capacity is now being redirected toward the LD-8A, a new anti-radiation missile built on the same proven airframe and propulsion system, but equipped with a passive radar-seeking head instead of the air-to-air seeker. This transition demonstrates industrial efficiency and tactical foresight. It allows China to rapidly field a potent weapon for suppression of enemy air defenses while maximizing shared components and manufacturing continuity. For Pakistan, the emergence of the LD-8A holds considerable operational value. Integrating such a weapon on platforms like the JF-17 Block 3 or J-10CE could significantly expand Pakistan's ability to degrade and neutralize enemy radar and command infrastructure. In modern conflict, the ability to disable surveillance and missile guidance systems before the main strike is crucial. A weapon that can home in on radar emissions allows for the dismantling of layered air defense networks, opening corridors for subsequent air operations. Such a system, developed from the PL-15's reliable base, would give Pakistan a precision tool to counter advanced air defense systems in a high-threat environment. The PL-16, which is reported to succeed the PL-15, is designed as an evolutionary step rather than a simple replacement. Sources suggest it offers an extended range potentially exceeding 300 kilometers, combined with improved guidance, better mid-course correction, and enhanced resistance to electronic countermeasures. Its placement in China's missile hierarchy, between the PL-15 and the massive PL-17, illustrates a carefully calibrated capability spectrum. The PL-17, by contrast, is a heavy, very long-range missile likely intended for engaging airborne early warning and control aircraft or aerial refueling tankers. Its large size and limited agility make it unsuitable for dogfights, but ideal for destroying high-value, slow-moving targets. The PL-16 appears to fill the gap between these two extremes. Lighter and more maneuverable than the PL-17, it can still engage targets at ranges once considered beyond the reach of standard air combat missiles. It combines reach with agility, giving it the flexibility to engage not only strategic assets, but also frontline fighters attempting to protect those assets. For Pakistan, which operates advanced radars and data link systems, such as those in the JF-17 Block 3 and J-10CE fleets, the PL-16 could fundamentally change the dynamics of beyond visual range engagements. It would allow Pakistani pilots to launch at standoff distances well outside the detection and engagement envelopes of adversary aircraft, compressing enemy decision cycles and forcing them to operate under constant threat. This layered missile family also aligns perfectly with Pakistan's evolving air doctrine. Pakistani air power increasingly emphasizes distributed lethality, multiple interconnected platforms sharing sensor data and coordinating simultaneous attacks. A missile like the PL-16, with its extended reach and advanced data link capability, fits seamlessly into this networked approach. Combined with airborne early warning assets, ground-based sensors, and tactical data links, It could allow Pakistan to build a comprehensive air combat network capable of engaging threats across multiple domains. The transition from the PL-15 to the PL-16 also demonstrates the rapid innovation cycle of China's defense industry. Unlike legacy systems that often stagnate for decades, China's approach reflects a continuous evolution model, each generation not replacing but expanding the overall capability matrix. For Pakistan, this means access to technologies that remain at the forefront of global advancement, ensuring that its air fleet can continue to evolve alongside new threats. From an operational viewpoint, the PL-16's expanded envelope would provide Pakistan with the means to conduct both defensive and offensive missions with greater confidence. On the defensive side, it could deter high-altitude intrusions by enemy fighters or surveillance aircraft by extending the lethal bubble far into contested airspace. On the offensive side, it would enable Pakistan to threaten key enemy enablers like tankers and airborne radar systems deep within hostile territory. This capability to project deterrence without direct incursion is vital in maintaining strategic balance in South Asia. Furthermore, Pakistan's investment in indigenous platform development, particularly through the JF-17 program, ensures compatibility with evolving Chinese technologies. The Block 3 variant, equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar and advanced mission computers, is designed to integrate future missiles like the PL-16 with minimal modification. This adaptability gives Pakistan's Air Force a cost-effective pathway to sustain modernization without the need for entirely new aircraft acquisitions. The broader implication of this transition is the strengthening of the Sino-Pak defense partnership. The iterative cycle of missile and platform co-development enhances not only Pakistan's immediate capabilities, but also its long-term self-reliance in tactical integration, maintenance, and potential co-production. As China refines its air combat doctrine through systems like the PL-16 and LD-8A, Pakistan benefits directly from shared experience, ensuring that its own operational doctrines remain aligned with the cutting edge of aerial warfare technology. The reported phase-out of the PL-15 and simultaneous introduction of specialized successors such as the LD-8A and PL-16 should not be seen as a discontinuity, but as a sophisticated expansion of capability. It marks a maturing of the Chinese defense industrial base, capable of parallel innovation in both air dominance and electronic warfare. For Pakistan, it affirms the strategic prudence of its alliance, ensuring that its air power remains credible and competitive against any regional adversary equipped with advanced systems. Ultimately, this evolution reflects the future of modern warfare, interconnected, long-range, and data-driven. The skies will no longer be dominated by a single platform or missile, but by a network of systems operating in seamless coordination. Through strategic partnership, technological integration, and continuous adaptation, Pakistan positions itself to remain a decisive participant in this new era of air combat. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from DEFCAM.